Hello everyone, welcome to my next mistake. This here is a 54-inch swing Cincinnati Hypro vertical lathe. It has a 52-inch chuck on it. The old place I used to work at, the old machine shop, had this in the shop for a good long time. It's a bit wore out. They hardly used it. They decided they wanted the space back, so they moved it and asked me if I wanted it. They tried to sell it. Nobody wanted to buy it because it's too big, it's too old, too wore out. They said if I could haul it, I can have it. I had a low boy and a crane lined up, but after looking at my finances, I didn't have enough money for the crane. It was a very hectic hectic month actually. Didn't have the money for the crane, so I had to cancel that, and the low boy backed out on me. So we're going to do it in pieces. We're going to move this thing, the bridge here, the section with the two rams on it, that's coming off. This machine is very nice. It has a VFD on it, has really nice controls, lots of oil lines. This whole side of it, let's get over here. So this whole side of the machine is going to be one piece. This whole side of the machine is going to be one piece. It's got a big 40-horse motor, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 belts to power it. 1, 2, 3 up there, that's going to be one piece. It unbolts, as you can maybe see. Yeah, it unbolts. That's 3, or actually 4, and then 5 is going to be this main gearbox. It might seem like a bad thing, me disassembling this machine to move it. However, the chuck up here, this machine is overall in very good shape. Electrically it's perfect, mechanically it's pretty good, but precision wise for the bearings, this chuck needs to come off, and I need to inspect the bearings and see what I can do. This chuck kind of wobbles a bit at 350 RPM, or really high speeds, so we need to figure out why it's doing that. I believe it's either bad bearing adjustment or the bearings themselves are bad. Either way, for free, I'm going to take a chance on this machine. It's a big one. This is one of the Rams. It has 32 inches of travel. It weighs about 40, well, there's estimates from 36 to 50,000 pounds. I'm estimating it's about 40. I've seen these with the side heads on them. This one might have had a side head at one point, but it doesn't anymore. Those ones are heavy, but this one doesn't seem like it's that heavy. So we'll move it in pieces and repair it and eventually set it up. I'll admit this is a long-term project. This is not a high-ticket item. I do need to get it out of their yard as quickly as possible, but otherwise it might be a minute. If I end up needing a big lathe sooner than that, then I'll of course get to it, but we'll see what happens.